What you might not know about humans and Stardust. We spend our lives gazing at the stars, dreaming of other worlds. But what if the universe we seek is already within us? Every heartbeat, every breath, is a symphony composed in the furnaces of ancient stars. You, yes you, are made of stardust. Not as a metaphor, not as poetry, but as a fact of science more astonishing than fiction. Somewhere billions of years ago, a star lived and died so that you could exist. This is not just your story, it's the story of everything. 13.8 billion years ago, the universe was born in a flash of unimaginable energy. Hydrogen, helium, the simplest of atoms, flung across a dark, empty cosmos. But stars are alchemists. Within their cores, under crushing pressure and searing heat, these luminous giants fuse hydrogen into heavier elements: carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, iron, the building blocks of life. Then, in one final blaze of glory, stars explode, seeding the galaxy with the ingredients for planets, oceans, and life. Earth is not separate from the stars, it is their offspring. That iron in your blood, forged in the death of a star, the calcium in your bones, cooked in stellar fire, the oxygen you breathe, a gift from the cosmos. Every cell in your body carries a history older than Earth itself. We are not just on this planet, we are of it, of the stars, of the universe. Civilizations rise and fall, love begins and ends, all carried on atoms older than memory. In this way, we are all connected, not just to each other, but to everything. To gaze at the stars is not to look outward, but inward. But how do we know this? How can we trace atoms in our bodies to long-dead stars? Stellar nucleosynthesis is the term scientists use for this cosmic alchemy. We've observed it through spectroscopy, reading the light of stars like a barcode, revealing their composition. Supernovae, these stellar deaths, scatter elements into interstellar space. Over time, gravity pulls that dust together, forming new stars, planets, and eventually, life. In meteorites, we've found pre-solar grains, tiny crystals older than the sun, embedded with isotopes formed in supernovae. These grains are the fingerprints of stars, and they're in you. So the atoms in your body were once in distant stars, and they may someday be part of stars again. Let's take a journey from the iron in your red blood cells back through Earth's formation, past the primordial dust of the solar system, into the heart of a star that died long before the Earth was born. This is where your atoms came from, a place of destruction and creation. You are the product of billions of years of cosmic evolution, a child of entropy and fusion, chance and physics, and yet you are conscious of it. You can know it. What is more beautiful than this? That the universe, once only hydrogen, eventually woke up and named itself. You are stardust that thinks, stardust that loves, wonders, creates. We often feel small beneath the night sky. But you are not small, you are vast, because within you is the memory of stars, the story of galaxies, the echo of a beginning. The atoms in your body have traveled across time and space to become you. Somewhere, something incredible was waiting to be known, and it was you. So the next time you look at the stars, remember, you're not just looking at the universe. You're a part of it, an extension of it, a way for it to understand itself. Science is full of surprises. Stay curious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share as we learn more together.